Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Mishra, your English educator, and today I am here with a new topic of English grammar, that is invitations and replies. So children, what we will learn today? We will learn to write the invitation or invitation card and how to give the reply of them. So let's start today's class. Before starting the topic, we will see here introduction. Man is social by nature. We all knows very well that man is a social, right? We hold many social functions such as celebration of birthday, engagement, wedding, marriage, appointments, promotion. And then usually we does the functions on birthday party, engagements, wedding, marriage, appointments, and sometime whenever we get the promotion, right? So invitation form an important part of social dealing. तो आपको पता है चिल्ड्रन, जो इन्विटेशंस होते हैं वो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट प्ले करते हैं इन्हीं जो हमारे सोशल फंक्शंस होते हैं इनसे डील करने के लिए. So an invitation is a request to an individual to come or go somewhere. So what is invitation children? It is a request to an individual. किसी से भी रिक्वेस्ट करना, किसी व्यक्ति से रिक्वेस्ट करना so that they can come or go somewhere in your function or to do something. So what is reply? The reply to an invitation can be accepted, and you know very well कि जब invitation दिया जा रहा है आपको तो reply देने के लिए आप उसको accept का reply करोगे या decline करोगे. So the quality of a good reply is that it must always be pleasant. और एक अच्छी रिप्लाई की क्वालिटी क्या है कि वो इस तरह से लिखा होना चाहिए कि इट शुड बी लुक प्लेजेंट. ओके, इट शुड गिव द प्लेजेंट हैप्पीनेस टू द पर्सन. Even while declining the invitation or expressing inability, although if you are declining invitation को अगर decline किया जा रहा है, इनकार किया जा रहा है, that because of few reason you are not able to attend that function or any function, you would have to express inability to attend. One must be polite, it should be polite and the courteous. Whether you are declining, but the way of reply should be polite. In a polite way you will write. Okay, so here we will discuss about the type of invitations. Invitations can be formal. So what is a formal invitation children? Invitation, we are talking about the invitation cards. Okay, so formal invitation are formal, polite, pleasant or courteous. They are of two type. Okay, so what are their type? They are of two type: printed invitation card and formal type handwriting. Sometimes प्रिंटेड होते हैं इन्विटेशंस कार्ड और कई बार हैंड रिटन लेटर की तरह लिखा जाता है फॉर्मल, और सब्जेक्ट भी लिखा जाता है उसमें. सो इन प्रिंटेड इन्विटेशन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you will have to invite guests to be present on a particular occasion. Do not include name of addressee. Okay, एड्रेसी का नेम नहीं लिखना है किसी को जिससे आप दे रहे हो, उसका इन्विटेशन कार्ड के अंदर नाम नहीं होगा. What you will do in formal typed handwritten letter? You will address to a VIP invited to preside over a social, cultural or education function. Okay, and the name of the addressee appears prominently. So handwritten वाले में जो है उसमें आप जो है name of the address जो है addressee जो है it. Yes children, so name of the addressee should be appears prominently, means प्रमुखता से जो एड्रेसी का नेम जो है उस पर अपियर जरूर होना चाहिए. किस पर? हैंड रिटन लेटर्स पर. ओके, डोंट फॉरगेट. सो हियर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इनफॉर्मल इन्विटेशन. यू विल टेक द शेप एंड फॉर्म अ पर्सनल लेटर. So how you will write the informal invitation? So to use to invite friends, relative with whom we have intimate, personal and friendly relation. Informal किसे लिखे जाते हैं? हमारे relatives को लिखे जाते हैं, हमारे friends को लिखे जाते हैं. friend जो हमारे हम अच्छे से जिनसे मिलते जुलते हैं. and tone and treatment is relaxed, informal. बिल्कुल रिलैक्स रहते हैं जिनके साथ हम मिलने जुलने से, उनको इन्विटेशन लिखा जाता है इनफॉर्मल. फॉर्मल इन्विटेशन कैन बी रिटन इन टू फॉर्म, printed and letter form, as we discussed in our previous slides. सो फॉर्मेट ऑफ फॉर्मल इन्विटेशन इन प्रिंटेड और कार्ड फॉर्म. जो कार्ड फॉर्म और प्रिंटेड फॉर्म होता है बच्चों, उसका जो फॉर्मेट होता है वो क्या होता है? लिसन केयरफुली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट कार्ड नेम ऑफ द होस्ट. जो होस्ट कर रहा है वो फंक्शन, उसका नाम होगा. जो ऑर्गेनाइजर है उसका नाम होगा, जो आप खुद हो. ठीक है. स्टैंडर्ड एक्सप्रेशन में क्या होगा? रिक्वेस्ट द प्लेजर ऑफ योर कंपनी. You will write these lines. Okay, solicit your gracious presence, and you will have to write the purpose of the invitation. Point to point, you can take the screenshot of format of formal invitation card form. Okay, you can take the screenshot. How you will write? First of all, the name of the host, then स्टैंडर्ड एक्सप्रेशन में रिक्वेस्ट करोगे, रिक्वेस्ट द प्लेजर ऑफ योर कंपनी, सॉलिसिट योर ग्रेशियस प्रेजेंस. ओके, देन पर्पस ऑफ दैट द इन्विटेशन, you have to mention the day, date and time of the event, the function which you are going to organize. Okay, and then name of the place, location with complete address. You have to mention all these things in informal printed card. Okay beta. And then RSVP, यूजुअली यू हैव सीन कि आपने देखा होगा कि RSVP लिखा होता है, यानी कि रिस्पॉन्ड इफ इट प्लीज इज यू. कि आपको अगर हमारा जो कार्ड है, इनविटेशन कार्ड ने आपको कुछ हैप्पीनेस दी हो या खुश हुए हो या जो भी बात है, आप रिप्लाई कीजिए, रिस्पॉन्ड करो. इसकी में जो भी रिप्लाई देंगे, इंक्लूड एन RSVP. दिस एलिगेंट एब्रीविएशन कम्स फ्रॉम द फ्रेंच फ्रेज. ये कहाँ से आया बच्चों? वर्ड कहाँ से आया? एक फ्रेंच फ्रेज है, रिस्पॉन्डेज. ओके, was played, which in English meaning क्या होता है? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड करो. जो भी हमने आपको कार्ड दिया उसका रिस्पॉन्ड करो, उसका जवाब दो. एंड RSVP is essential at parties where you need to know exactly who will come. ओके, RSVP इसलिए लिखा जाता है ताकि आपको ये पता चल सके कि कौन आ रहा है और कौन नहीं आ रहा, so that you can organize the thing accordingly. Okay, on the basis of their convenience. Telephone or mobile number or address of the host should be mentioned. Then here is an example also, children, and the question is, Mr. Shyam Lal and Sons are opening a new general store, Galaxy Novelties. Okay, novelties. In Gitanjali Enclave, Dwarika, Delhi. The inauguration ceremony is fixed for Sunday, the 19th of October 2000, whatever you can write, 2024 at 11 a.m. Okay. Prepare a draft of formal invitation. You have to write here formal invitation letter for the purpose. So how you will write? As I told you, पहले host का name होगा. Mr. Shyam Lal and Sons announce the opening of Galaxy Novelty. Everything is given in question. You have to arrange them in order so that it can become an invitation card. Then general told you the whole address will come. Inauguration, it will come in a box. What is the function? Marriage का होगा तो marriage लिखा जाएगा ऐसे box में, और अगर birthday party का होगा तो birthday लिखा जाएगा. Anything. Okay, then later the date of that day, then the everything, the main place where you are going to organize, the venue. Okay, all the cordially invited visit for all kind of grocery and domestic item. Avail inaugural discount of 10% on all goods. Okay, then RSVP, definitely you will write left side corner, then your phone number. Okay, now another question is also given. Draft an invitation on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Raj Karan of 38 Kamal Kunj, Varanasi, which they may use to invite their friends and relatives on the 5th birth anniversary of their son Nikhil at their residence on 28th December, right? So you have to write like this. You can take the screenshot so then you can remember what will come in first, then later what will come, then later what will come. Okay, you can do remember so that. Then here is the format of formal invitation. We were talking about the informal till now. Now we are talking about formal invitation. How you will write in a letter form. Sender address will come, then date will come, then receiver address will come, then content will come. Complimentary clause होगा as usual. Sender का name होगा children. ठीक है. And now see here another example of formal invitation. So you are the director of Apex Orientation. This is a company, a leading name in postal coaching for competitive examination, including IIT, JEE. This is an institution which provides the preparation IIT, JEE and CBSE, PMT. Write invitation to the principals of some prestigious schools, inviting the name of 2 brilliant students from each institution to attend their counseling session free of cost. Okay, so how you will have to write this? Formal invitation बच्चों लेटर फॉर्म में होगा. देखिए आप कैसे लिखेंगे. सबसे पहले आपका यहाँ पे आ गया आपका yes. आप कौन हो यहाँ पे? यस, यू आर द सेंडर. सेंडर का एड्रेस आ गया, पूरा एड्रेस. देन एक लाइन छोड़ेंगे, फिर डेट आएगा, उसके बाद रिसीवर का एड्रेस आ जाएगा आपका. एंड देन सब्जेक्ट. डेफिनेटली अगर फॉर्मल इन्विटेशन लिखा जा रहा है तो सब्जेक्ट विल कम. देन सैल्यूटेशन सर, मैम, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू राइट. देन यू विल राइट द कंटेंट. देन लास्ट में डिस्क्रिप्शन आ जाएगा जिसमें आप योर फेथफुली एंड देन योर नेम, वॉट एवर योर नेम इज, एंड द डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ योर्स. ओके, now here are the another examples, children. You will do the practice yourself. Informal invitation we will talk here now. So you will have to follow the pattern of ordinary personal letter. How you will write the informal invitation? अच्छा, दोनों टाइप के होते हैं बच्चों, लेटर फॉर्म में भी, कार्ड फॉर्म में भी. अब जो इनफॉर्मल मैंने आपको कार्ड फॉर्म में बताया था, अब लेटर फॉर्म में भी आप बिल्कुल पर्सनल लेटर की तरह ही लिखोगे. ठीक है. And the format will be, you will have to express your personal feeling and emotion. The writer's address is given in the usual place. Same thing will happen as in, जैसे कि आपकी किस में आती है बच्चों? Yes, informal लेटर्स में आप लिखते हो, वैसे ही सेम आपकी सारी की सारी डिटेल्स आ जाएंगी. Okay, and the style should be tone should be relaxed and informal. Here is an example, children. Rohit has got success in CBSE PMT. CPMT के एग्जाम में रोहित को सक्सेस मिली. He want to celebrate his admission to Shivaji Medical College, Nagpur, by throwing a party to his friends. Right. Write an informal invitation. उसकी जो है सिलेक्शन हो गया कहाँ पर? शिवाजी मेडिकल कॉलेज में. So he want to give the party to his friends. Write an informal invitation giving detail of venue, time and date. Do not exceed 50 word. 50 word से ज़्यादा आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए. बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा लेटर लिखने की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. So here would be the sender address, then date, then you will write the subscription. यहाँ पे आपको किसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है बच्चों? रिसीवर का एड्रेस लिखने की यहाँ पे ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो आपको लिखना है पर्सनल में, पर्सनल इन्विटेशन में. And a few words, the content will come. You will be glad to learn that I have secured 80th rank in the CBSE PMT competition. I have got admission in a prestigious institution, Shivaji College, Nagpur. The main reason why you are giving to party, right? I want to share a few happy moments of my life in the company of my friends at a dinner in the hotel Kanishk at 9 p.m. on 23 July. The year, okay, 2024. Please join the celebration and merry making. Now, last, yes, you are sincerely, you are loving, whatever you want. This would be the pattern of, yes, informal letter type invitation. Okay. Now, here are the another examples, children. You can do practice yourself. As I told you, the format will remain same. Once again, I am telling you, there are the lots of example which is given here. ये सब informal के ही example है बच्चों. Informal और formal दोनों में ही, दोनों invitations में ही आप एक तो या तो card type लिख सकते हो या फिर आप letter type लिख सकते हो. It is your wish. So I think आज की वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी. So do subscribe my channel, children. If you are not able to understand, give comment also. Like my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye, children. Here is a question for your practice, and you have to write the invitation yourself. And children, listen, for the replies we will discuss in our part 2nd video of invitation and replies. Don't forget to see that video also. Till then, goodbye. See you.